Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, now check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style, or some of the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, and you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burning through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
And without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today me be unboxing arguably the best Air Max for this summer. It is arguable, to be honest, but nonetheless, here we go. We finally got the pack from Go app, and honestly, I've waited at least 2 weeks for this to come in. Yeah, let's just say FedEx gotta easily, they hold champion #1, the best to ever do it at delivering packages late, because it was all the way over in California for about 3 to 4 days after Go app already legit checked it and sent it to them. And yeah, I don't know what took them so long, but yeah, nah, 2 weeks later, here they are, finally got them. It is what it is. Yeah, let's just open this right up. I've been waiting for these, and I got them for an amazing price. We'll talk about that more later. But yeah, let's just, whew, this is a nice box. This junk kind of clean. That's kind of clean. I like that. Let's take it out complete. Oh, that's real nice. Nice touches, nice touches. Presentation so far, A1. I like that. Got different, I don't know if there's anything on there. Oh yeah, the sizing label, of course. Yeah, different things throughout the entire section of the box. Mad fire, I like this. Yeah, but I don't know if y'all saw the sizing label, but of course, ooh, I like this too. They got a lot of, this box has got a lot of nice touches. I like this. Whew, this is clean. I don't know if I'm gonna read the sizing label now or not. I don't even know if I'm gonna do that on feet or not in this video yet, but yeah, I'm gonna just keep it a mystery until we get there. If y'all already know what the video is gonna be about, then it is what it is. But of course, you got your GOAT sticker and your GOAT verification tag. I already went over this in like all my other Go app unboxing videos, but this paper is just, that's real nice. I like this a lot. Oh, I didn't even all right, so when I open up the lid, all right, the lid was covering it. That's tough. I like this. Presentation is A1. And then as you already see, the tissue paper is amazing. I like that. But underneath the tissue paper and all this really dope presentation, you got the Nike Air Max 1 Clots. These joints is fire. Dog. Yo. Oh! Oh, why do these smell like that? These smell different. I don't know why. I like how these smell way better than a couple of the Jordans that I got recently. I likes these. I likes these. These for sure. I likes them. But yeah, nah, these joints are hard. Let me just grab the other shoe. Oh, they come with extra laces too? I didn't even know that. Yo, okay, hold on, wait, what was that inside? Oh, hold up. Then you got a foot inside of the shoe too? What's going on with these? Yo, the price I got these for, unbelievable. Hold on. All right, so boom, here you have them, the Nike Clot Air Max 1s, as I already stated before. You got this real nice, like, let me read the color blocking. What we got on the sizing label here? We got the Nike Air Max 1 Clot, Net Deep Red Orange Blaze. Come on, y'all. There's more colors on these than that. Come on, stop playing with us. This nice earth tone brown. We got this nice white with the little, these look like volt or neon hints right here on the side, and got that icy blue right here, and this is, oh. You got a whole foot on the bottom too. Come on, yo. This shoe is crazy, dog. Oh, and of course, spare laces, red, gotta love it. I'm gonna see what they look like with spare laces on too. I'm gonna put that on another shoe, of course. Now, the only thing that made me skeptical about buying this shoe was the fact that the toe box is see-through, but in the end, that's what made me want to buy it more, cause it's like, it's a little out there, it's kind of different. Yeah, I just decided to go for it. And so yeah, the colorway is just absolutely phenomenal.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
What away from being higher than the atmosphere. No man but God, and that's barely. Loyal to the fame and to the money whom I married. I rap like Bruce Fight, it's hard to compare me. I might be too nice for y'all to act scary. I'm very sure I'm more than you can fathom. I spit acid, all the shit that you can't imagine. Pen and pad and paper darkening from the ashes of raw classes. Class act full of madness. I heard the early bird gets the worm, and all the feathers he could ever earn. Cheddar cheese is what I must collect, and word that I'll die for my respect. Never been a sucker, Google that, that's a fact. Earth would be detached before I dash from the scrap. The plug hit me back, I can finally relax. The pack's on the road, Aaron Rodgers.
I can finally relax from the thorax in the capsule. Totally need some space.
And now let me just get into the price real quick. And now the only reason I did not go for these on Air Max Day or whenever they dropped, because these originally dropped a long time ago, and resale on the older pair was going for like, I think they came out in 2001, and that pair was going for somewhere upwards of like, I don't know, it was like 1,000 or something. It was some high resale. So of course, before a shoe even drops, when it has high resale and there's a lot of talk going on, a lot of hype building up around them, me personally, I start to steer away from it because, yeah, I don't know, I just look at it as a waste of time. I'll just admire the shoe from afar. I don't know why, but something told me to just scroll through Go app one day. I'm scrolling through, these pop up, and the price said $175. I thought that this was for a used pair, and I'm like, let me just check it real quick. Brand new with box. Whoever slept on these, thank you. Yo, these are fire. Now with this video, I think I'm gonna stick to more of an, you know, unboxing slash thoughts slash on feet. Not too much of a review, just like a quick rundown. But yeah, nah, these joints is crazy. And I did check prices recently ever since I did buy them. And my size for 11.5 or a 12, they're sitting around that 190 price point. So you might want to grab them before they start going up higher, because these joints, I can see these going up higher the more people get their hands on them. Nah, these joints, they gotta be tough. Like this is just crazy. That is wild. And I don't know if you can see this, but on the inside, it's like you got like a bunch of Mandarin lettering on the inside of the shoe, along with like pressure points of the foot. And I believe that that's what that's supposed to like resemble down here on the actual bottom of the sole right here. This shoe is just tough. Thank everybody for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet. What are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We're on that road to 10K. Comment down below what you think of the Air Max 1 Clots. And yeah. Hope you guys all have a great day. Stay safe and see you next time.
Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting born. Locked in the cell in your mind.